Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered about the planes soaring above? Plane spotting is a fascinating hobby that turns that curiosity into a passion. It's the thrill of identifying different aircraft, learning about their histories and witnessing their graceful movements. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or simply captivated by aviation, plane spotting offers a unique perspective on the world of flight. Plane spotting is like a treasure hunt in the sky. You search for different types of aircraft, from sleek jets to massive cargo planes. Each plane has its own story to tell, a journey that connects distant cities and cultures. It's about appreciating the complexity and beauty of these machines that connect our world. As you delve into the world of plane spotting, you'll discover a global community of enthusiasts who share your passion. From local airports to international air shows, there are endless opportunities to connect with fellow plane spotters and exchange knowledge and stories. Join us as we explore the exciting world of plane spotting, where adventure takes flight and the sky is the limit. Before you become an expert plane spotter, it helps to know a little something about the aircraft themselves. Just like bird watchers identify different species, plane spotters learn to recognize planes by their size, shape, and markings. First, we have commercial airliners. These are the workhorses of the sky, carrying passengers across countries and continents. You'll recognize them by their sleek bodies and distinctive tail logos. Some popular examples include the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A380. Then there are cargo planes, the giants of the sky. These powerful aircraft transport goods all over the world. Look for their massive size and high wings, the Antonov An-225. Maria, sadly destroyed in 2022, was the largest cargo plane ever built. Don't forget about military aircraft. These planes serve various purposes, from fighter jets to transport planes. They often have camouflage paint and unique markings. Keep an eye out for the F-35 Lightning II, a stealthy and advanced fighter jet. Finally, we have general aviation aircraft. This category includes everything from small single-engine planes to business jets. They come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, making them fun to identify. Keep an eye out for the iconic Cessna 172, a popular training aircraft. Ready to embark on your plane spotting adventure? It's easier than you think. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience to enjoy this hobby. Here's how to get started. First, find your airport. Most major cities have airports, making them prime locations for plane spotting. Look for designated viewing areas, often located near the end of runways. These spots offer unobstructed views of planes taking off and landing. Second, check the weather. Clear skies are a plane spotter's best friend. Overcast or rainy weather can obstruct your view and make it difficult to see the planes. Check the forecast before heading out and choose a day with optimal visibility. Third, be patient. Plane spotting is a hobby that rewards patience. Don't expect to see hundreds of planes in an hour. Relax, enjoy the fresh air, and let the planes come to you. Fourth, respect the rules. Airports are busy and secure locations. Always follow the rules and regulations of the airport. Stay within designated viewing areas and avoid trespassing on restricted property. Your safety and the security of others are paramount. While you don't need expensive gear to enjoy plane spotting, a few essential items can enhance your experience. These tools will help you identify planes, track their movements, and capture stunning photographs. First, binoculars. A good pair of binoculars is essential for getting a closer look at planes, especially at larger airports. Look for binoculars with a magnification of at least 7 times to 10 times for optimal clarity. Second, a camera. Capture the excitement of plane spotting with a camera. A smartphone camera works for casual shots, but a DSLR or mirrorless camera with a zoom lens allows for more creative control. Third, a flight tracking app. Several apps, such as FlightRadar 24 and FlightAware, provide real-time flight information. You can track planes in the air, identify their origins and destinations, and even set alerts for specific aircraft. Fourth, a notebook and pen. Keep track of your plane spotting observations with a notebook and pen. Jot down the date, time, airline, aircraft type, and any other interesting details you notice. You'll build a fascinating logbook of your plane spotting adventures. With these essential items, you'll be well equipped to identify, track, and capture the magic of flight. Now that you have the knowledge and tools, it's time to head out to your nearest airport and experience the thrill of plane spotting for yourself.